Yo, what's up everyone? It's Vishal and welcome back to Spec Tech. Today, we're diving headfirst into a topic that's blowing up right now, artificial intelligence. It's not just sci-fi anymore, guys. AI is here, it's everywhere, and it's changing the game in ways we're just starting to understand. We're talking phones that can recognize your face, cars that drive themselves, algorithms that seem to know what you want before you do. So in this video, we're breaking down 5 massive ways AI is already changing the world, from healthcare to our everyday lives. We'll explore the good, the bad, and everything in between. Let's get into it. First up, let's talk about something that affects us all: healthcare. This is where AI is already making a huge difference, like life or death difference. We're talking about algorithms that can diagnose diseases faster and more accurately than ever before. Imagine this. You go to the doctor, and instead of relying on just human expertise, they have AI-powered tools that can analyze your medical images, lab results, even your genetic information, to catch diseases like cancer in their earliest stages. That's the power of AI in healthcare. We're seeing companies like IBM with their Watson system and Google's DeepMind literally changing the game. These AI systems are learning from massive data sets of medical knowledge, and they're getting scarily good at identifying patterns that human doctors might miss. And it's not just about diagnosis. AI is also being used to develop new drugs and treatments, personalize medicine based on your unique genetic makeup, and even assist surgeons during complex procedures. Think about robotic surgery, guys. That's AI in action, making surgeries less invasive, more precise, and potentially leading to faster recovery times. This is some next-level stuff. But it's not just about the tech itself. It's about what it means for people. AI has the potential to democratize healthcare, making it more accessible and affordable for everyone, regardless of where they live or their economic status. Imagine a world where everyone has access to the best medical diagnosis and treatment, all thanks to AI. Of course, there are challenges too. We need to make sure these AI systems are accurate, reliable, and unbiased, but the potential here is massive. Next up, let's talk about education. Now, we all know the traditional education system, the one-size-fits-all approach, doesn't work for everyone. But AI is here to shake things up. We're talking about personalized learning experiences tailored to each student's individual needs and learning styles. Imagine AI tutors that can adapt to your pace, identify your strengths and weaknesses, and provide customized feedback and support. That's the kind of personalized attention that used to be reserved for the privileged few, but AI is making it accessible to everyone. Think about language learning apps like Duolingo or Babbel. They're already using AI to personalize lessons and make learning more engaging and effective. And it's not just about apps. AI is being integrated into classrooms around the world. We're talking about intelligent tutoring systems that can provide real-time feedback to both students and teachers, helping them identify areas where they need more support. This means teachers can focus on what they do best, inspiring, mentoring, and guiding their students. AI takes care of the heavy lifting, like grading assignments and providing personalized feedback. AI can also help identify students who might be struggling or at risk of falling behind, allowing educators to intervene early and provide the support they need to succeed. And let's not forget about access to education. AI can break down barriers for students in remote areas or those with disabilities, providing them with equal opportunities to learn and grow. AI is transforming education as we know it, making it more personalized, engaging, and accessible for everyone. And that's something worth getting excited about. All right, let's talk about work. Now, I know what you're thinking. Robots are coming for our jobs. And yeah, that's a valid concern, but it's not that simple. AI is definitely automating certain tasks, especially those that are repetitive, manual, or data-heavy. Think about data entry, scheduling appointments, even customer service. But here's the thing. AI is also creating new jobs that didn't even exist before. We're talking about roles like AI trainers, data scientists, machine learning engineers. These are the jobs of the future, and they require a whole new set of skills. So instead of thinking of AI as a job killer, think of it as a job transformer. It's pushing us to adapt, to learn new skills, and to embrace the changing nature of work. And let's be real, some jobs are just better suited for AI. I mean, who wants to spend their day doing data entry anyway? AI can handle that, freeing up humans to focus on more creative, strategic, and fulfilling tasks. Imagine a world where AI takes care of the mundane, leaving us more time to focus on what we're passionate about. AI is also changing the way we collaborate and work together. We're talking about AI-powered tools that can help us analyze data, make better decisions, and communicate more effectively. So yeah, the future of work is definitely changing, and AI is a big part of that. All right, let's bring it closer to home. Literally, AI isn't just changing industries and workplaces, it's changing the way we live our everyday lives. And I'm not just talking about the obvious stuff like smartphones and social media algorithms, though those are definitely part of it. I'm talking about smart homes, guys. You know, those futuristic pads you see in movies where everything is connected and automated? Yeah, that's becoming a reality, and AI is making it happen. We're talking about smart speakers like Alexa and Google Home that can control your lights, play your favorite music, even order groceries with just your voice. It's like having a personal assistant right there in your living room. And it's not just about convenience, though that's a big part of it. Smart home devices can also help you save energy and money. Think about smart thermostats that learn your preferences and adjust the temperature accordingly, or smart lights that turn off automatically when you leave the room. And then there's the whole world of AI-powered entertainment. Streaming services like Netflix and Spotify use AI to recommend movies and music based on your tastes. It's like having a personal DJ and movie critic all in one. But it goes beyond entertainment. AI is also being used to improve our safety and security. Think about home security systems that can recognize your face and alert you to suspicious activity. And let's not forget about transportation. Self-driving cars are no longer a thing of the future. They're here, and they're powered by AI. Imagine a world with fewer accidents, less traffic congestion, and more efficient transportation. That's the promise of AI in our everyday lives. Okay, we've talked about all the cool stuff AI can do, but it's time to get real for a second. Like any powerful technology, AI comes with its own set of challenges and ethical dilemmas. We gotta talk about the potential downsides, the things that keep me up at night. First up, privacy. AI systems thrive on data, and the more data they have, the better they get. But that also means they're collecting a ton of information about us, often without us even realizing it. Think about facial recognition technology. It's being used everywhere, from unlocking your phone to identifying criminals. But what happens when that technology gets into the wrong hands? What about the potential for bias and discrimination? We've already seen cases where AI systems have shown bias against certain groups of people, simply because of the data they were trained on. That's a huge problem, and it's something we need to address head on. Then there's the whole issue of job displacement. Like we talked about earlier, AI is automating a lot of tasks, and that means some jobs will inevitably be lost. We need to start thinking now about how we're going to retrain workers for the jobs of the future and ensure that everyone benefits from the AI revolution, not just a select few. And then there's the big one, the existential threat. Some experts believe that AI could eventually become so intelligent that it surpasses human intelligence altogether, leading to potentially disastrous consequences. Now, I'm not saying we need to unplug all the computers and go live in the woods, but I do think it's important to have these conversations, to think critically about the potential risks of AI, and to develop safeguards to ensure that AI is used for good. We need to make sure that AI is developed and deployed ethically, with human oversight and accountability. We all have a role to play in shaping the future of AI. So there you have it, guys. AI is changing the world as we know it in ways both big and small. It has the potential to solve some of humanity's biggest challenges, from curing diseases to making our lives easier and more efficient. But it also comes with its own set of risks and challenges, from privacy concerns to the potential for job displacement. It's up to us to decide how we want to use this powerful technology and to ensure that it's used ethically and responsibly. So what do you think? Are you excited about the future of AI? What are your biggest hopes and fears? Let me know in the comments down below. And as always, thanks for watching.